हेलो गाइस। तो वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल हृदय कोडर। और आज मैं लेकर आया हूँ एक और कोडिंग का वीडियो। और मैंने बहुत सोचा कि मैंने अभी तक जो भी वीडियोस बनाए हैं उस पर मैं code.org पे कोडिंग करता हूँ, जिसके लिए हमें पेड सब्सक्रिप्शन लेनी पड़ती है, लॉगिन करना पड़ता है और एंड मेनी मोर। सो आज हम कोडिंग करेंगे एक वेब ऐप पे। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। इस ऐप का नाम है थिंकेबल और मैंने इसमें बहुत सारे एडवांस्ड ऐप्स भी बनाए हैं, लेकिन आज हम शुरू करने वाले हैं बस एक बिगिनिंग ऐप से। तो इसमें हमें ईमेल आईडी से कनेक्ट करना पड़ता है। वी नीड टू गिव अ ईमेल आईडी, सो एंड वी कैन साइन इन। फॉर क्रिएटिंग अ न्यू ऐप we need to create new app, this plus sign. So let's do that. The name of the app will give beginning app, and you can just type anything here. And create. That will take you to another page, and this is all it. So today we will not make any kind of app, but we will just learn some basics. So this app has many different items to do with, but today we will deal with only two items. One is the screen that would always be there, and we will take another item as label. So we have to type in this text input box and add components. So, and we have to drag and drop the label into the screen. So how do we drop into the screen? When we take it near the screen, so a red line will come here. I think you would see that red line on the left side, and then we will leave it. So it's all done. I will show you another thing. We can also add the label below or above. So for that we have to put it drag it here, and the line should come below the label one. So you can see, and if we do it a little bit upper, so line will come upper label, and so we have added up, but now we will delete it because we don't need. Yeah, so we can even rename it. So I will give name label myself. Yeah, and we can write anything in the label, like and we can also change the font size, or we can also change the color from here. We can change the background color of the label, and we can do many more things in this, and I will do that in my another projects. But today we are just going to do something very simple. So, and we can do anything with this. So it's done. We can also give it a radius of, I think 15 would be fine. So now let's do some coding. For doing coding for the blocks which we still have, for that we have to click on blocks. Let's click on blocks, and we will come here. So here we have to code for everything. We don't have many components, only 2 components are there, and this is something else. So first we'll start with label. When label is clicked, we'll take the first block. It means when we click the label. So the color of the screen we have to change. So from screen 1, set background color 2. Means that from screen 1, we will set the background color to some another color. But we have not given any color to the screen yet. So come on, let's give that too. Now we can click anywhere on the screen. So screen 1 opens. The background color. We can set it like yellow. Done. Now let's go to blocks. And this we can set color to anything. I will take blue. And now for checking that whether this app works or not, you have to download Thunkable app on your phone. It doesn't get downloaded in Android. You can download it in Android. In iOS, I don't think it will work. So download it in any Android phone. And there is a very new feature in this also of live testing. So we will go that. But for a better experience, I recommend you to go to any phone screen. So let's test it. So let's see whether our codes work or not. See, it's working. When I clicked on the label, the color changed to blue. But we have not done the coding for when we again click the button, the background color should change to blue. So we'll not do that also. So yeah, it's all done. So that's all for today. Let's meet in another video, and there I will be doing many complex projects. Not complex, but yeah, little bit much, and we will begin to make a app. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. And yeah, don't forget to click the bell icon and select all, so that whenever I upload a video, so you can view that anytime. Bye. Let's meet next week.